Hey guys! How's it going? In this video, we're going to look at something that seems like magic, and that is, folks, artificial intelligence. Little by little, it's breaking through the text barrier and becoming truly multimodal. In this video, I'll show you how you can share your screen with Google's artificial intelligence. And it can help you in real time to solve problems in a much more efficient way. And the best part is that it's free and super easy to do. Without further ado, let's get to it. As you can see, I'm on the aistudio.google.com page. Specifically, when you log in with your regular Google account, you go here where it says Stream Real Time. When we click on Stream Real Time, notice that there are several tools here. One of them is to talk to Gemini, another is to show the webcam, and another is to share the screen with it. And guys, this is a huge leap because we can work one-on-one directly with artificial intelligence. Let's see how it works. If I click on Share Screen, it shows up. First, I'm going to allow it, and now it asks me about everything I have open. What do I want to share with it? In this case, I'm going to share the screen where Make is. Make, for those who don't know, is a tool that allows us automate processes. I'm sharing a link to a free course I have, in case you're interested. So, look, I'm going to move it off the screen, because it's listening to me now. My friend in artificial intelligence, and I want to help you. Without further ado, let's see. Hi, can you hear me?
Of course, I'm listening. My presenter is showing the screen of the Make application and explaining how it helps to automate processes. He also said that he's going to share a link to a free course about this application.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I want you to help me create an automation with Make where I can share the data that I'm adding in a Google Sheet spreadsheet. I want to send it to Gmail. I want you to tell me step by step, and I'm going to do it in real time. Right.
All right. Do you want to create an automation with Make that allows you to share data that you add in a Google Sheet spreadsheet and send it to Gmail? I'll help you step by step and in real time. First, let's create a new scenario in Make. Have you done it yet?
Yeah, if you notice, I already have it ready with the plus sign to start adding modules.
Perfect. Now click on the purple plus button to add the first module. Have you done it? All right, now from the list of applications, select Google Sheets. Do you see it?
I just did it.
All right, now choose the option Watch New Rows, so that the scenario gets triggered every time you add a new row to your spreadsheet. Do you see it?
Done.
Okay. I see you've gone back to the main screen. Could you please click the purple plus button again and select Google Sheets and Watch New Rows? Please.
Can you check that I have the module selected?
All right. I see that you've already selected the module. And now it asks you to connect your Google Sheets account as well as select.
Well, I'll leave it there because I'm not going to go step by step, but you can see that he's watching my screen and I can do what he's telling me to create, in this case, an automation or anything else. So, friends, from now on, you have an assistant that you don't just have to type to, you can also share your own screen so it can help you in real time. So I hope you found it useful. I hope you liked it and we'll see you in the next video. See you later.